Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching me today. I hope you're doing well. So for today's video I wanted to share with you my new makeup finds of Ross, Burlington and Nordstrom Rack. I found really good stuff. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into this you guys. I'm starting with my Ross finds. So they had this new eyeliner here from brand Lancome. It looks amazing and this was in the shade 02 chocolate satin. This is what this looks like and here for $14.99. Also, they had this new duo here from Lancome. It was out of its box, but it has a mascara and a lip gloss included for $22.99. Looks like full sizes of products. And you guys, I found products from Dominique Cosmetics at Ross. How exciting it is. I love her. She's fellow YouTuber and her makeup is also really nice. So I found a liquid eye paints from her, two different ones. These are here for $5.99 each and I found the shade Daydreamer and also the shade Pretty Wild. They also had these milk makeup strobe creams here for $4.99 each. I found these in two different colors. So they had the shade Beam and also the shade Aura. Also at Ross they had this Tarte Rainforest of Sea palette here. How exciting it is you guys. This was here for only $19.99 and this is what this looks like on the inside. And they had these Estee Lauder Perfectionist Pro Rapid Firm Plus Lift Treatment. A bunch of these marked down here at Ross for only $14.99, an incredible price for Estee Lauder. This is a very expensive brand. They had this Philosophy Gingerbread Man marked down here for only $2.49. Amazing price. And they had this new here from Rituals. I love this brand. So this is shower gel from them for $5.99. Then I found this new here from Laura Geller multitasking eye and lip creams for $5.99. Also, they had a bunch of these Milani baked blushes. These are gorgeous on skin. I found these in three different shades. So these are here for only $2.99 and I love these and $2.99 is great for them. They also had this Bestie Johnson set here marked down. It has a perfume and a body lotion included. And this is here for only $9.99. Also at Ross, I found this Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette here as well. It has some really gorgeous shades. This one calls Berries and Cream for $14.99 only. And they had this new here Lancome, the Purifying and Refining Clay Mask for $18.99. Now let's move on to Nordstrom Rack. I found more of these Jeffree Star stuff that I showed you a couple of times here on my channel. And I was super thrilled to find Nars Palettes for pretty affordable at Nordstrom Rack. So they had three different ones. And this one is a Summer Solstice palette that we have seen eyeshadow palette at TJ Maxx. But this cheek duo is really new. We have never found it in any discount stores. This is here for only $24.99. Then they had these Nars Climax eyeshadow palettes here and also this one here as well. This is a Orgasm on the Beach cheek palette. So the eyeshadow palette is here for only $28.97. Really good price. This Orgasm on the Beach cheek palette, this one is here for $34.97. Also at Nordstrom Rack, they had a bunch of these Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powders. All of these were in the shade 2 for $14.97. They also had this DOU Fresh Glow Setting Spray from Too Faced marked down here for $17.97. And this one as well, SPF 25 Moisturizer from Too Faced for $20.97. They also had a bunch of Laura Mercier lipsticks here as well in three different shades for $15.97. And they had more of these Urban Decay Naked Cherry palettes here at Nordstrom Rack for $29.97. And also these Murad Skin Supplements. You guys, these were literally expired. So always make sure you check expiration date. So here you can see these are for $6.99, but these were expired in 2021. They also had this NYX Born to Glow highlighter palette. This one is here for $8.79 marked down. And they had a bunch of these lime crime unicorn hair sprays in 4 different shades, I want to say. And these looks really cute. So here you can see the shades. And these are here for $6.97. And they had a bunch of these new face fix line smoothing devices marked down here at Nordstrom Rack as well for $99.97, where originally these were for $150. Now let's move on to Burlington new finds. I did not found whole a lot, but they had quite cute items. So I found this BH Cosmetics synthetic silk eyelashes. These are here for $3.99. And also they had a bunch of these pretty rich palettes from Too Faced. We have seen this in the past. These are here for $19.99 each. Then they had all of these 3 new palettes here. This one is from BH Cosmetics. It calls Belgian Waffle 6-color baked bronzer and highlighter palette. We have never seen this one at TJ Maxx. This one had no price tag. Then they had this palette here from Root Cosmetics. It calls It's Our Secret Eyeshadow Palette. It has 30 different eyeshadows included. The shades look so pretty for $9.99. And also this one is here as well from Root Cosmetics, a collection of 30 eyeshadows and pigments. This brand I always see at TJ Maxx. For the first time I found these palettes here at Burlington. So this one is also here for $9.99 and the shades are so pretty. Then they had this really cute brush set here at Burlington. It has really cute packaging. I love the packaging. It has 5 different brushes included. And here is what brushes looks like. And this one is here for $4.99. They had this L'Oreal Sublime Bronze Tinted Self-Tanning for $5.99. And also at Burlington, they had more of these Buxom Mauve Seduction Trios here for $12.99. We have seen this in the past. And also from Buxom, they had this Wawa Plump Shiny Liquid Lipstick for $5.99 in this shade right here. They also had these 3 different eyelashes here from brand Absolute. We have seen their makeup a lot of times in discount stores. This time they had these lashes which look super pretty for $3.99 each. And they had this new set here from Paris Hilton. It has brushes, beauty sponges, and eyelash curler included. This kit looked really cute, perfect for gifting someone for $14.99. Also, they had this Revlon So Fiber Mascara here for $3.99. And also this Rimmel Wonderlast Brow Tint. This one is here for $2.99. Also at Burlington, they had a bunch of makeup here from brand Carmindy Beauty. I don't know this brand, but I found this bronzer for $3.99. Also, they had a bunch of foundations for $4.99. All of these were in the same shade light. They also had this Sheer Whisper powder here in the shade 4 for $3.99, a bunch of these. And they had this lip gloss here as well in the shade Stargazer for $2.99. And also from this brand Carmindy, they had these brow pencils here in the shade Blonde for $2.99. I also found some really cute shoes here at Ross, so I wanted to show you guys if any of you interested at the end of this video. So they had these sneakers here and also this Michael Kors flip-flops which was for only $32.99. Really cute color. They also had these Puma sneakers here for $39.99. They also had these Bestie Johnson heels here which are not my style, but they had these as an option for $34.99. Also, they had these here as well. I don't know this brand, but these are here for only $19.99. Super comfortable. And also, they had these Calvin Klein heels here as well in a bunch of the different sizes for $32.99.